Let's untangle the cords first. On off on the clock there. We're live, you're good.
Welcome to Hampton Dumont Bulldog Stadium, home of the Bulldogs here in Hampton, Iowa.
It looks like it's behind the scenes at a sports network.
Ball comes off to Courtney Miller.
4 cameras, a graphics operator, producer, and announcers.
To number 54.
But look closer, and you'll notice that almost everyone here is a teenager.
See, there's that aggressive offense we've been talking about.
They're easy to teach. I mean, they grew up with technology.
Matt Lokenvitz is a business and technology teacher at Hampton Dumont High School. In recent years, he's taken his class from building websites and doing some video editing and turned it into a live TV production group.
We can run 4 different cameras through this way. Think of ESPN, smaller scale.
The students now stream events like this as they happen on BulldogTV.live.
Nice pass. Yes. Nice pass by Lauren Meter to Macy Arges for an easy 2.
Basketball, football, volleyball, even special events like graduation, homecoming, and fine arts performances are all going out live and being saved in a video archive.
So during a basketball game, wrestling meet, those types of things, you'll see both of these cameras down on the floor, getting different camera angles from down on the floor.
So now those fans and family members who wish they could make it to everything can.
There's one home football game that we had that it was like 8 degrees. It was just freezing cold out there. And people loved the fact that they were able to watch the game yet because those people weren't coming out anyway. It's too cold. They're not coming to the game.
Right now it looks like the Bulldogs maybe are a little more high-octane offense than AEWSR.
Getting this big of a project off the ground has been quite an undertaking for the staff and school board.
All of the stuff that you see in the broadcast comes out of this vMix system. You can change camera angles, overlays, instant replay. You can run your scoreboards from here that you build up in the vMix system. Here we've got an audio input, so anything being talked, we got both mics plugged in plus our wireless mics plugged into that. Every one of these cameras are actually capable to stream in 4K. This is our camera that's hardwired into the capture box.
The first big hurdle was the price. This equipment, the streaming site, the tech support to go with it all, comes from a company called WSN-Live at a cost of about $40,000. To help offset that, sponsors like First Security are stepping in to help.
How many eggs can you put in one basket? Why would somebody want
In exchange, the sponsors' commercials run during timeouts, just like a regular broadcast.
We've been able to bring in quite a bit of money to help sustain what we're doing.
Got timeout. We're going to go over to some commercial break.
Say hi to her. Hi.
As well as some of this money is able to buy like some middle school uniforms, those types of things. So it's able to help not only this, but also our school in general in producing some of these things.
Overlay 1.
Yep. Substitutions now for the Bulldogs.
They're playing humble.
Nice strong rebound there by 54, Rachel Seabart.
Nice little move.
Missed the first one. AEWSR is playing kind of a matchup zone or soft man-to-man.
Let me get that ball back.
When it all comes together on game day, these students get an experience most high schoolers don't.
Right here, we've got 8 seconds and we're going live.
And they get a perspective that most viewers don't. The frantic work behind the scenes
Live, go.
All right, start the second quarter. The Bulldogs lead 23-12.
that a viewer at home would have no idea about.
All right, start the second quarter. The Bulldogs lead 23-12.